back pain and other issues caused by bowed legs. It's certainly the case that your back pain may be the result of your bow legs. This is especially true if you're already an adult. This is because bow legs often lead to incorrect posture, which in turn can potentially cause spinal problems, and these spinal problems may be a source of back pain. Fortunately, however, these issues are usually treated very easily. First, there are a range of exercises and stretching techniques that can correct your posture and straighten your spine. Incidentally, these may also help correct your bowed legs at the same time. Amongst these techniques, some exercises focus specifically on correcting the alignment of your spine, while strengthening the muscles in your legs and torso. This will enable you to hold your body more erect. Posture. In addition to correcting your posture through the exercises described above, it's necessary to make some lifestyle changes. Crucially, it's important to try and avoid standing or sitting in any one position for too long. If you have a desk job, for example, this may require you to remain sitting for long periods in the same spot. In this case, it's important to stand up at least once an hour and walk about for a bit, to ensure that your posture isn't being damaged. This also helps to keep your spine properly aligned and healthy. It's equally important to maintain good posture while sitting. People with bow legs need to try to ensure that their desk isn't requiring them to bend too far forwards while sitting. Similarly, an ergonomic chair can also help improve overall posture. Sleeping on your stomach should be avoided if you're bow-legged, as this can further affect the alignment of your spine. When sleeping on your back, you need to ensure you have some kind of support under your neck to further keep your spine in alignment. Will bow legs reduce your height? Since bowed legs are curved, they can reduce one's height, practically speaking. That is to say, they can sometimes make a person shorter than they would if they had straight legs. When bowed legs are corrected, people often find their overall height increases, sometimes by a few inches. Of course, this depends on the extent to which one's legs are bowed. In mild cases, it's possible that the noticeable height increase on straightening your bowed legs is not visible to the naked eye. On the other hand, a considerable height increase may be noticeable when serious cases of bowed legs are straightened. There's also the question of self-esteem. It's not uncommon for people who suffer from bow legs to have issues with self-esteem. They may be convinced that others view them as strange, or that members of the opposite sex don't find them attractive. This might and might not be the case depending on the severity of the condition. In most cases, once people are used to having you around, they will hardly care whether you have bow legs or not. But it remains a fact that bow legs may sometimes cause emotional issues and problems related to self-esteem. Fortunately for those with bow legs, the condition can be easily corrected without the need for surgery. It's all down to advancements in medical knowledge which allow you to remedy the condition with a special diet and exercises.